Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be talking about RUMBLEVERSE. So currently RUMBLEVERSE is down, and I'm going to be explaining why is it down and why are you getting such notifications. So there are different notifications people are getting while trying to log into RUMBLEVERSE. For example, this which says you have been placed into a login queue and they give you a certain number. So I've been trying to log into RUMBLEVERSE and I'm going to be explaining why it's down at the moment. If you head to Twitter on the official page of RUMBLEVERSE, you're going to find out that there is a certain update they are doing on RUMBLEVERSE. Here is Twitter on the official page of RUMBLEVERSE. So on RUMBLEVERSE they have not posted or tweeted anything at the moment, but if you go to the official RUMBLEVERSE support, there are 3 tweets that they have put out. As you see, maintenance for RUMBLEVERSE has begun. So this was 1 hour ago, and the maintenance was expected to take around 2 hours. So, and they released another tweet which says that was 23 minutes ago. They were saying maintenance is still ongoing. We expect RUMBLEVERSE to return at approximately 3 p.m. CST. So currently they are doing an update on RUMBLEVERSE, and after the given time the servers are going to go back online. So that's why you're experiencing login problems and the game crashing, being placed in login queues, and that's the main reason why RUMBLEVERSE is done. So they are doing maintenance check and doing an update on RUMBLEVERSE. So we expect RUMBLEVERSE to go back online soon, in very few minutes. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and see you next time.